Hello everybody, my name is Zach Bell, and today I wanted to go over a question I'm asked all the time, but first a little bit of background. There is a constant debate between people who use DSLRs and mirrorless cameras versus people who use mobile phone cameras. And personally, I love using my Canon 6D Mark II and my iPhone XS Max, but there are a lot of people that like to make it a binary issue. There can be only one. That was so dumb. Without getting too much into that debate, I think it can lead people to question whether or not it's worth buying a gimbal for your mobile phone or whether mobile phone filmmaking is worthwhile at all. And so today I wanted to go over 5 reasons why I think you should take the leap and buy a gimbal for your mobile phone. So here we go. Number 1, Theyre Inexpensive. You've likely already invested in a smartphone, and that is definitely the expensive part. You can pick up a gimbal for your smartphone for a little bit over $100 compared to gimbals for DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. They start at about $800 and easily go up into the thousands, so a smartphone gimbal is practically pocket change. Number 2, they take your videos to the next level. If you love taking videos on your smartphone, your mind will be blown the first time you use a gimbal for your phone. The stabilization and buttery smooth movements add a quality that you will come to appreciate and your viewers will come to appreciate even more. And that's true whether or not you use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or if you're just showing videos to your family at home. Number 3, they are very easy to use. Phone gimbals are user-friendly. The buttons are simple, the apps are generally intuitive, and the gimbals themselves are small and portable. Perfect to take anywhere, whether that's on a walk, camping, hiking, to a child's soccer game, or even across the world on an adventure. With a gimbal, the world is your oyster. Number 4, they set you apart. The majority of people who post videos are not using a phone gimbal, so if you are, your videos are already standing above the rest of the crowd. Let's face it, you're already taking lots of videos anyway, so you might as well make them look as professional and cinematic as possible. If you're posting them to Facebook or Instagram, then a phone gimbal is exactly what you need. Number 5, they are a blast. If you enjoy taking photos and videos with your smartphone, you will absolutely love using a gimbal. If you're anything like me, you might even be so driven to get that next clip that you'll go to places you've always wanted to go or do things you've always wanted to do. Seriously, just get one. I promise you, it is so worthwhile. You will thank me later. Anyway, if you do decide to get a gimbal for your smartphone, please let me know what you think of it. I hope you enjoy it, and I really do think you will. And I'm also very curious, do you prefer a DJI Osmo Mobile 2, a Zhiyun Smooth 4, a FreeFly Movi, or something else? And for those of you who are interested, my current favorite phone gimbal is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, and I've recently made a mini series about using that with iPhone XS Max. So if you're curious, I'll leave that linked at the end of this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, I have so many videos planned for this channel. I finally got an anamorphic lens for my Moment case, so I'll be doing a video on that really soon. I've been waiting months for that one, so I'm really excited. I also plan on doing more videos with my DSLR, but I am definitely going to continue doing videos with my iPhone XS Max and especially using my phone gimbal, of course. I love it. If you haven't already, subscribe now to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or attack it if you want to, and I hope to see you here soon. Until next time.